The Dra Alcotest 5820 allows the professional user to perform a breath alcohol test with speed and precision. The sophisticated product design makes handling easy and hygienic. This video will show you how to activate the device, how to perform tests, how to adjust settings, and how to recall test results. The testing device comes in a handy carrying case with additional space for the operating manual and several mouthpieces. If your Alcotest 5820 has been pre-configured, you can begin testing right away. Otherwise, follow the instructions on the display. We will show you this under the heading Settings. The slide and click mouthpiece can be intuitively introduced into the mouthpiece receptacle. Remove the front part of the mouthpiece packaging along the perforation. Set the mouthpiece diagonally into the mouthpiece receptacle and press it downward until you hear it snap into place. Now you can remove the rest of the packaging. To switch the device on, press the OK button for about 1 second until the home screen appears. After about 4 seconds, the device is ready to use for measuring. The full text messages on the display are easy to understand and will guide you through the alcohol measuring procedure. In addition to the display, 2 LEDs and acoustic signals will indicate the end of the test procedure. The 2 menu buttons will guide you through the menu, and with the OK button, you can choose the measuring functions. We will now perform a test. Let the subject blow into the mouthpiece evenly and without interruption. A spacer on the mouthpiece keeps the lips of the subject from coming into contact with the housing of the device. During the procedure, a progress bar is displayed. A continuous tone indicates that the breath flow rate is sufficient. When the tone ends, the subject can stop blowing. The electrochemical Dra sensor in the Alcotest 5820 provides a precise result within seconds, even for high levels of alcohol. In order to remove the mouthpiece, press the spacer upward. Press the OK button for approximately 3 seconds in order to turn off the device. If the subject cannot provide the minimum volume of breath, then the test can also be performed manually. When beginning the breath test and the progress bar is displayed, briefly press the OK button. In addition to the test result, manual will be displayed. A passive sampling is performed when the ambient air or exhaled air is to be tested for the presence of alcohol. To this end, the person operating the device manually initiates the sampling procedure. The measurement is then performed without a mouthpiece. For a simulation with alcoholic and non-alcoholic beer, hold the Alcotest 5820 over the glass. By pressing the OK button, the measuring procedure begins. Following the analysis, the result, no alcohol or alcohol, as well as the mode passive, will be displayed. When first switching the device on, you will be prompted to make settings. Follow the instructions on the display. In order to adjust Alcotest 5820 settings later, press the down button for approximately 1 second in order to enter the menu. You can navigate up or down in the menu using the arrow buttons. You can choose different functions or confirm settings with the OK button. You can set language, date, time format, time, and measurement units. In order to leave the menu, go to Back and in the main menu to Measure. Via the menu, you can recall the last 100 tests and test numbers, as well as, for example, when the next calibration should be carried out. For more than 60 years, Dra has been a world market leader and professional supplier of breath alcohol measuring devices for police and industry. Worldwide, more than 30 million tests are performed each year using Dra breath alcohol screening devices. In addition, our product range comprises drug screening devices and vehicle immobilizers. Find out more at draga.com.